Yo. First order of the day is a 7-Eleven. This is $7 going 3 miles. So they just gave me an add-on order. This is going to be Mr. Maple Donuts, an additional $5 going 1 extra mile. Not amazing, but sure, why not? It'll keep me busy. Hello. Just gotta pick up for Erica. Thank you.
Can you take 4 milk, please?
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Oh my god, you scared me. Oh, this other drop-off might be in the same area. Hello. What was the name?
Jake or Erica.
Yeah, gotcha. There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Now that I drove by it, I didn't even see a number on that place, so hopefully it was the right one. I mean, they got the name right, so I'm assuming coming out to me with the right name means it's gotta be you. Oh, this is a really good one out of nowhere. This is Starbucks, $14 going 5.5 miles. I'm not even gonna question it. I'm just trying to get there ASAP before they change their mind. Thank you. Total for that order was $16 and change. That is insane. Super generous. And that was only 1 drink and like 2 pastries or something. I don't even know. That is, wow. Thank you. Oh, and we got the next order right away. This is Seize the Bagel, $7 going 3 miles.
All right, there is that for you. Straw is in the bag.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Got this next order right away. This is Starbucks, $5 and change going 2 miles. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $9 going 6 miles, 3 items. I think it's only one thing, just multiple of it. As long as it's not bottled water or cat litter, this should be a lot easier than it sounds. Looks like we're grabbing some ginger ale. Didn't know people still drank ginger ale.
If you have your club card, please scan it now.
We've got a Voodoo Donut. This one is $5 going 1.5 miles.
Sorry about that. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Been a very long time since the last order, probably around 15 minutes, but we finally got one. This is Starbucks, $9 going 4 miles.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Just got the next order. This is Chick-fil-A, $8 going 4 miles. Morning. Yeah, for Lance. Yeah. Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
We got a Chick-fil-A. This is $7 going 2.5 miles.
Are you picking up an order today?
Yeah, I am.
What's the name on it?
Nikki, should be that one right there.
DoorDash for Nikki.
There we go.
You are.
Thank
Have a
you.
good rest of your
You too. Looks like this is going to Home Depot. It says leave at door, but in their instructions it says meet them at this desk. So gotta go inside, I'm pretty sure. Hello. Just got the next order. This is IHOP, $11 and change, going 6 miles.
So breakfast. Onion juice on here. Here's the apple and the orange juice.
Thank you. I've got things to do, and with how it looks like today, I don't think I'm really missing much by calling it early. Current time is 9:58. Current total, we're at 79, and I'm waiting on that last Uber that I just did, which, if I get the full tip, should bring it up to at least 89, maybe a little bit more. Lots of waiting around today, but the orders were decent. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.